This is a gege that I got on trade from Paul. They're spitting. Let's try to get into it. We use the Wallocks tools, 39 thousandths, top of the keyway. Multi-pick slim deep hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a couple clicks out of 5. A little something out of 1. That's on 2. 3, 4, but something's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still nothing out of 6. Click out of 2. There's nothing on 3. There's nothing on 4. There's another little click out of 5. Alright, there's a couple clicks out of 6. 1, and then 2. Opens it up. And that is the gege.